In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pre-filled link in Google Forms. This technique is a time saver, whether you're collecting information for a survey, a set of registrations, or any data where responses need to start off with pre-existing values. We're going to walk through the process step by step to ensure that by the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in setting up your own pre-filled link. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Google account and head to Google Forms. If you already have a form in mind, open it up. Otherwise, go ahead and create a new form by clicking the blank form icon. Creating a new form is simple and intuitive. You want to start by giving your form a name and perhaps a description to provide some context for your form users. Once you have your form set up, think about the fields you'd like to pre-fill. Start by adding the questions you need responses for. For illustration, let's say we're creating a form for a workshop sign-up. You might include fields like the participant's name, email, and workshop topic of interest. Make sure these fields reflect the data you wish to pre-fill. Next, you need to set some default answers to these questions. Click on the three dots menu at the top right of the form editor, and you'll see an option that says Get Pre-Filled Link. This option will allow you to simulate filling out your form. As you go through the questions, enter the default answer you want to appear for each field. For example, if you're sending the form to a specific group interested in data science, you could pre-fill this option in the relevant question. After you've entered all the values you want, hit Get Link. Google Forms will then generate a URL with your specified answers preset. This is the link you'll distribute. It's as simple as that. But remember, this pre-filled link should be shared only with users who require those specific default values. Notably, this feature helps to reduce the margin for error and ensure you're gathering the right details from your respondents every time. It's especially useful in situations where you're managing responses from a diverse group where uniformity in responses to some questions is needed. As a quick tip, if you ever need to update your pre-filled responses, just revisit the same Get Pre-Filled Link option. Adjust any necessary fields, and a new link will be created for you. By using pre-filled links, you save time not only for yourself, but for your respondents as well, minimizing repeated entry of data that's consistent across submissions. I hope this guide helped clarify how to set up pre-filled links in Google Forms, enhancing the way you gather data efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.